Amal buys 110 kgs of syrup and 120 kgs of juice. Syrup being 20% less costly than juice per kg. He sells 10 kgs of syrup at 10% profit and 20 kgs of juice at 20% profit. Mixing the remaining juice and syrup, Amal sells the mixture at 308.32 per kg and makes an overall profit of 64%. Then, Amal's cost price for syrup in rupees per kg is. Now, let's assume the price for juice as X per kg. And therefore, the cost price of syrup as per data given here, syrup being 20% less costly. So, syrup cost price will be 0.8x. Now, before moving on to the selling price part, we'll first find out the total cost price here. Now, juice, they have got 120 kgs. So, x into 120, we have 120x. Syrup, we have got 110 kg. So, 0.8x into 110. So, we get 88x. So, we can say that the total cost price is 208x. Now, we can find out the total selling price in terms of x directly here by doing 208x multiplied by, because it's given your profit of 64%, it will become 164 by 100. Okay. So therefore, we can easily do it as 208 into 164 divided by 100. That is 341.12x. This is the total selling price. Now, let's do in terms of all the data which is given further here. Okay. Now, it is given here that Amal sells 10 kgs of syrup at 10% profit. Now, syrup, we have assumed it at 0.8x cost price. So, therefore, 0.8x will be the selling price and he is selling 10 kgs. So, into 10. 20 kgs of juice is being sold at 20% profit. We have assumed the cost price is X. So, therefore, this becomes 1.2x. Okay. So, the total selling price for these 30 kgs will be equal to 1.2 into 20, that is 24x. 0.88x into 10, that gives us 8.8x. So the addition is 32.8x. Okay. Now, total we can see 110 plus 120. We have got 230 kgs. Out of which 30 kgs are sold. So the remaining kgs are 200. And it is given that they are sold at 308.32. 308.32. So that will be the total selling price here, the product. So now we can equate these two equations. The total selling price here is 341.12 x is equal to 32.8x plus 308.32 into 200. Now subtracting this, we get over here 308.32x is equal to 308.32 into 200. So this gets cancelled out. We get x is equal to 200. Now you have to be very careful in these kind of questions. The question asked is cost price for the syrup. And the cost price of the syrup, as per our assumption, is 0.8x. So therefore, syrup cost price will be 0.8 into 200, and the answer will be 160. So that's our answer, 160.